program, that is arithmetic operators or arithmetic assignment operators. So what are the arithmetic assignment operators? I'm going to write, take a white screen, and I'm going to write all the arithmetic assignment operators. What is assignment operators? Assignment operator is equals to, that means the left side part, for example, I have any variable like a equals to 20, then what happened, this 20 is going to assign to this one. Always the left side part, right side value is going to assign. So at that particular time we will use the equals to symbol. Okay, so but we have the arithmetic operators is there, combination of equals to plus arithmetic operators gives the arithmetic assignment operators. For example, I will tell you, plus equals to gives, this is addition assignment, minus equals to is subtraction assignment, multiplication equals to is multiplication assignment, division assignment, and modulus assignment. Like this we have different things. Okay, so the combination of arithmetic operator plus assignment operator gives the arithmetic assignment operators. Okay, the combination of assignment operator means a value is going to assign to any particular variable, then it is called as assignment operator. So whenever we append, we are going to add another operator, that is, this is the addition operator and this is the equals to operator, then the combination of these two operators can tell as addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator, like this. These all are arithmetic assignment operators. Let me write a program. So same thing, I want to take a and b values. I have to enter a and b values. Now c equals to a plus b, like this. C plus equals to, only one thing I will take, not two values, I will only take the one value, and remaining all values I will assign first. B equals to 20, C equals to 30, D equals to 40, E equals to 50, F equals to 60, like this. Okay, now, so I will print all the values. This is assignment operations. So I have to print all the values using a format, using formatter. So I want slash n is a new line. Every time it is going for a new line. I want to print a value first in the 0th argument. Next slash n, b equals to the first argument, and slash n, c equals to the third argument. Second argument. Dot format of, I want to print all the values a comma b comma c. Now another statement, because I want to print in the other line, I want to print the d, e, f values also. Once again, if you write, you must start with the 0th argument, d, e, and f. Now the formatter is coming from, first value is coming from D, and second value is coming from E, and third value is coming from F. Now after that, C plus equals to A, B minus equals to A, and E multiplication equals to A, and F divided by equals to A, and F and G is not there. B, from B onwards. Oh, B is not used. I will use here. B modulus equals to A. Modulus equals to A. I will remove here. Okay, after the operations, I am going to remove this one. Okay, I am going to remove this enter thing. Once again, print the two statements for printing all the values. If anything is not understand, please ask me. After that, once again, this is arithmetic assignment operators. I will save. So before going to that, we will understand what happens. If anybody guess, please tell all the answers. If you entered A value is 10 in the output, if you entered A is a 10 in the output. First and foremost thing, I will save as this particular program as arithmetic assignment operators, ARASOP for arithmetic assignment operators. Save it. Okay, successfully saved. So please tell me, if I entered 10 in the A value as an input, what is the output? Please tell me. Tell me fast. Anyone? Any one of you students? Please respond. What happened if I entered A value is 10, then what it is going to print? Vinesh? Tell me. Tell me what it is going to print first time. A value is 10. Okay, if I entered B is 20, C is 30, D is 40, E is 50 and F is 60. And what happened if you print the A value? A is 10 if I entered. It will be print here. A is 10 and B value new line. The B value will print 20 and C value will print as 30. Followed by same thing, D value will be printed in this area, new line, that is 40, E value is 50, F value is 60. Okay, F value is 60. Okay, next, after that we are going to apply some operations here. These operations. C plus equals to A means what is the meaning of that? C equals to C plus A. Whenever both the operators here and here is same, this plus will come front. Okay, actually in the mathematics rules. Okay, so C plus equals to A means what is the output? What is the C value? 30. C is 30 and A is A I entered as 10. So what is the value? 40. 40 will be stored in C. Similarly, tell me what is the D value, E value, etc. Tell me what is the D value right now? Forty minus 10 is 30. Yes, right answer. 40 minus 10 because D equals to D minus A. What is the meaning of this? D equals to D minus A. Then D value is already having 40 and A value we entered as 10. Okay, 40 minus 10 is 30. 30 will be stored in D. Okay, next, what is the value of E into equals to A? Next, F divided by equals to A. Okay, next, B modulus equals to A. What is the remainder? Hmm. 10 divided by 20, what happened? 10 is there in A. B equals to, what is that? B equals to B mod A. That means B value is 20. Yes. Happen. You can write like this. 10 2s are 20. So the remainder is 0. So 0 will be stored in B. Now the values will be changed. All the values will be changed. C, D, E, F and B values will be changed. B becomes 0, F becomes 6, E becomes, what is the E value? 500. 500 and D becomes 30, C becomes 40. Okay, 40. A will not be changed, A value will not be changed, A is same, but remaining all are perform some arithmetic operators. After that, once again we are printing the values. Okay. Okay, so let me execute. So we will use so many times in the projects or programs. This arithmetic assignment operators are used. So let me run the program from F5. So here it will be asked. Now I am executing arithmetic assignment operators. This is arithmetic assignment operators. It will be asked a number for A actually. I will enter 10. Then what is the values here is A is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. After that 10, 0, 40, 30, 500, 6.0. So you got it? You got A value. Okay, once again we will run. What happened is 25. 25 is then what it will be executed. See here. Enter 25. Sorry. Enter 25. Enter. You will get all the values. See, you have to execute, you have to analyze, then you will understand. 25. Any value you can enter.